Hi, guys. Ronda Winstead here with you. Good morning, good morning. It is always good to see you, my dears. So, what am I doing? Well, I was putting together a cover. You recognize the Amazon packaging for a little journal and thought, well, why not, take my friends with me? So that is what I thought I would do. Let me catch you up to this point. Excuse the mess. Okay, so this is my grouping of pages that I have, and I am using Rachel with Roxy Creations, her digitals, and my own. These are my own altered pages that I do, and other various bits and pieces. I've got 3 signatures going here. And so to measure how big you want your cover, so that's what I'm doing now, right? So I wanted to have a bit of space at the top and the bottom just for, for playing. If I want tabs and laces and things to poke out a little here and there. So mine is basically an inch more. Let's see, these are like 5 inches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 inches. So this is like 7 inches tall. And then I figure the width, so I want a little bit of space, right? So maybe half an inch or so. And then I want some room for the spine. And then, so I gave myself about an inch for the spine and then another ½ inch here. That's how I did it. You do what works, for you. And I think this will be a perfect size so that I can add. And I've got plenty of space. Yeah. So, okay. So, then getting back to the piece. And by the way, how are you? I hope you are doing fabulously. I hope that this is a wonderful day or evening or night, whatever time you're viewing this video. I hope you're good. I love you guys. You're amazing. And I look forward to spending time with you. I've not been able to spend nearly as much time as I would like, but I treasure the time that I do get. Okay, so what did I do? So I cut my Amazon packaging to that size. That's how I based mine. This is about a 6x4. And do you remember, those of you that have followed me a long time, I did several of these as Christmas journals last year, and I've got this all ready to do like an altered book, but I don't know that, I just wanted to try something different. But these are the size pages, that came in the book, and so that's the reason I have that size. I know you wanted to know that, right? Sorry. Okay, so you get the size and cut your packaging. And what I had to do was to glue my packaging together, because by the time I cut it down in size, the 2 pieces were gonna, it was just 2 pieces. And so I used stick glue and glued those together nicely. So, figure out what you want to do for the cover. For this one, I just chose a beautiful piece of Christmas fabric, and I got this the other day. Oh, I should show you. Why not? Just share with you, my dears. Hubby and I went to Batesville here in Arkansas, and they have a Marshall's fabric store that they do retail and wholesale. And look what I picked up. Ooh la 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 la. Look at that. Batiks. I love batiks. Oh, I so love batiks. So love. This one isn't a batik, but look at that. Look at that. And this, oh, yum. And this is a batik. And this is a batik. And this is a beautiful fabric. And I chose that to put on my cover. Okay. Oh, those are so pretty. So get the size. And I just glued it on, glue stick. And then I started playing with things. Well, what do I want my cover to look like? Do I want to just do it plain? Do I want to do a really cool topper? What do I want to do? And of course, I love lace. And I love images, and especially old-fashioned images that I know Rach does with her Roxy Creations. She's completely amazing. She and her husband, Steph. Oh my gosh, he's so fabulous. Okay, so I just started pulling out laces that might work. And from there, I just, as you can see, I have a little bit of lace. So I just started, little bit here and there. And so this is what I tentatively have come up with, guys. So I've glued this piece of lace on. And then this is all I have left of this antique hand crocheted lace. Is that just, oh, yeah, it is. Yes, it is. It is. And to get the placement, I just did this, right, to get where the center would be. And so that's kind of what I'm going on. And then I picked an image. This is from one of Rachel's Christmas kits. Let's see, so do I want... Anyway, I love this image. And so I'm thinking that we probably want to put that on. I trimmed this to this size. There was just a teeny bit left. But we shall see. We shall see together how this goes. So do I want it under or over? Under or over? Well, let's not make that decision just yet. And then I have these other little bits and pieces of wonderful lace. And I have this that I thought would be fun, that we could maybe pull in. I love the words and whatnot. They'll be covered up, but so, and do we like this? So this is the journey. This is how it's done, my friends. This is what we do. We just, little here, little there. I think let's take that up just a smidgen. Yes, just a little smidgen. Okay, so. Okay, and then I have all these little bits and pieces, and I say, well, sometimes less is more, and sometimes more is more. And so, let's just play around a little bit. So, how have you been? Look at this, you guys. I mean, this is antique, but look at that tiny little pocket. Is that just cute? With the flowers, and of course that one's frayed off, but that doesn't matter, right? Ooh, la la la. Okay. Okay, that's looking pretty amazing. And then this was just a little edge off of a, what was it off of? A collar. A collar. It was off one of these. Isn't that fabulous? Okay. What if we did this here? What if we did something like that? What do you think? I thin. I think I like it. Okay, so let us start. Let's take these off. This is layering. Let's take, this one's glued on. Let's see, let's do this one next. And of course, this is just to hold it in place. I am going to stitch. If you are going to glue it down, then make sure that your glue is a good solid, you know, for fabric and whatnot. And then this. Oh, guys. This is so fabulous. These antique laces are just amazing. And let's see, we can do this one over here. Glue that in place and give that some. Okay, so I think what I will do, now I don't know how to put my phone on pause, so I'm thinking that this will end up being I'll have to get do another video to show the finished product. Okay, are we liking that? I really love this. I love this. So, how can I do this with you guys and still stay true? Let's see. Let me see about gluing this. Okay. So the weather here is very nice. We have had such a hot summer. And so to have it be, you know, pleasant is just delightful. It is just delightful. Okay, let's go with that. Okay, so let me just stitch a couple of places here so that you can be with me. Now, what I'm doing with my stitch length is I am increasing it from a 2.2 as my normal stitch, and I just increased it to a 3.0. And that's just so it's easier to stitch down, going through all these layers. And I don't claim to be any authority on any of this stuff, you guys, really. Just having fun. Okay. Ooh, I'm kind of liking this, though. So I apologize for you not being able to see that, but look at that. Oh, I was a little, yeah, okay, that's fine. That's fine. So I haven't stitched any here yet, or here, and I want to stitch here. But as we can see, and of course this has no lining as of yet, but there will be, you know, let's see, let's do some bending here so that you get this part of the equation as well. So I want to have, let's see, there's 10. So let me go ahead and, so 5, that's the center, and I want a 1/2 inch on each side. And I am we're just kind of playing here a little bit. I'm not trying to be, you know, too terribly precise, but at the same time, let's see, I want to give this a little bit of a guide to help it fold where I want it to fold. Does that make sense? So see what I'm doing? Okay. So now I can go ahead, smoosh that down, and then she said, by the way, I am having cracked wheat cereal for breakfast this morning and homemade bread that my husband made yesterday. Some of you have seen, he is the bestest, makes delicious bread, and he was in a mood to do it yesterday. Okay, see where we're at? Okay, so this is approximate, of course, but here we go. So this is going to be great. This is going to be great. All right. You know, I think I am going to go ahead and finish stitching all around, and I'm going to add my other bits and pieces. And then in the next video, we will continue on this little journal. Thanks, you guys. I know this was a quick one today, but I just wanted to have you join with me a little bit. I appreciate your help always. You're amazing. Love you guys, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye now.